Hi guys, this is Andrew from Total Window Service, and today my video is gonna be about the other window cleaning company that that's working in New York. I just want to show you the perfect example of the companies in New York and how they operate, and unsafe conditions that they put all the pedestrians and people in New York. Look at this. Look at this sidewalk. First of all, look at this sidewalk, and you see all this blocking here, and plus we have a rope here. And look where it goes. You see where it goes? You see the guy right over there on the top cleaning the windows. I will walk through the across the street so you could have a better view. So we have a person hanging, one over here, another guy is somewhere here, is already hanging, and the third guy is somewhere there. Oh yeah, okay, we can see him somewhere. My finger is in the screen. So this is the problem, right? This is the problem that I'm trying to emphasize all the time, and talking to my clients and explain to them that I know the people charge less probably than we do, but here is what's the result. You have very unsafe condition around your building. Imagine something will fall from the hands of that window cleaner, and what you're gonna have, like what's gonna happen then, right? So look how busy the street is. I don't know, they should have at least one person on the bottom, like a flag man for the people, and trying to redirect the people away from the hazard zone, right? Because at this narrow street, and this is busy area, guys. This is Dumbo, right? And you have a lot of tourists here. Like, it's crazy. Look at the guy. Look, he's swinging about the people's heads. Where is he? Let me. And that. I don't know. This is not supposed to be like that. So this is what I'm trying to to explain. These kind of works, they have to be properly set up, right? Even look, the people going into the store, and the guy is hanging right about them, and there's nobody there to alert that woman. Don't stand there, because there's the people. Hi guys, don't stand here. Look up. You see that guy? Don't stand here. Something can fall on you. Believe me, it's not safe. Yeah, it's not safe. So I'm gonna be doing their job for free. Okay, I'm gonna help them. I'm gonna keep New Yorkers safe. And since I'm watching him at this, and that's very interesting way of doing it, right? I mean, that doesn't look like these guys. I mean, I've seen the worst situation than this, when the guys don't have tight. It seems like these guys are pretty knowledgeable in what they're doing. I think this is just it's a season for the window cleaning, right? It's a May, June, a lot of work, and we often short with people to do the job. And we're rushing the job because this is where we actually make money, right? This two months, April and June, that's April, May and June, 3 months probably, where it's the worst, right? With a lot of work. We do a lot of work. And these guys, they have like hard hats on their heads, and I see that they know something about window cleaning. Just the problem here is on the bottom. They should put one person. They should alert their ownership that, listen, you send us here, there's so many people, we cannot do the work, we have to go to another place, or we have to stop the work today and come back another day, or at least send us some person to stand on the street and alert the people to eliminate as many pedestrians as possible, so they don't stand right underneath.